Hey, good morning and happy Jamhuri Day. I'm celebrating my Jamhuri Day by doing my laundry since it's a free day. In the morning, I went to have tea at the local kiosk so that I could promote some young girls who just finished schools from vulnerable homes and have started a food business. And then I had a chat with their mother, who told me her Form 4 liver, a son, another son, has also started doing kazi ya mjengo. That's working in construction sites. So I was uplifting her and telling her that's the right way for the boy to go, not to sit down and get into drug abuse or alcohol abuse. Big up to the children. So this is how I do my laundry. In this, I have the white and soft colors I'm doing first. And then here I have the next batch that is going to go, which is the dresses. The dresses are usually not very dirty. In case you're wondering why I have a pink trouser there, I just wait for a day, it wasn't very dirty, and then I do mostly dresses, bras, bed sheets, and whites alone first. And then that's going to go next. It's a towel, but it has a bit of red, so I don't know whether it has color or not. So I'll just put it in an extra basin and wash it, but it has to go with the whites first before other colors. And then last, I have the first rinse and the second rinse, and I'm going to bring a bucket for the third rinse if it's necessary. It's usually necessary when the clothes are many. And then I have another pile in the house that is trousers and sweaters. Those will go last, but if I'm very tired, I'll do them tomorrow. I'm listening to a Kikuyu station, I don't know which one, but I choose different stations from different areas to listen to in a day. I don't just listen to one station or listen to Kamba because of I understand it or Swahili or English. I just pick what might have good music on any day and say, what the? Let me just hear what they do, and you'll never fail to enjoy with Kenyan stations. Yeah, so some of this stuff like this keeps me healthy also. Doing my own laundry is a healthy pastime. I would have gone out somewhere or be doing something or be seated watching TV. This is going to keep me busy from now until about 4 o'clock. Yeah, that's about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Because I have to do the rinsing, then I have to do the other rinsing, then I have to hang out the clothes, then go in steps and steps, and if some of the clothes will start drying as I hang, so I have to hang them in 2 layers, put some on the fence. I don't have enough hanging lines. Especially the trousers and dark ones can go on the edges of the mabati. Yeah, I improvise. On the branches, wherever I can hang, I just put them up. Yeah, and I have a live fence, so I can never fail to get places to hang. So yes, have a happy Jamhuri Day and look forward to the next posts. Kwaheri.